Let's learn some basic to native English phrases. Well, to start with, in basic English we say, how are you? But in native English we say, how have you been? To answer this question, in basic we say, I'm fine. But in native we say, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. In basic, they say, what are you doing? But in native, we say, what are you up to? In basic, we say, nice to meet you. But in native, we say, pleasure to meet you. In basic, we say, I woke up late today. But in native, we say, I overslept today. In basic, we say, I'm eating lunch. But in native, we say, I'm grabbing a quick bite. In basic, we say, I'm very busy. But in native, we say, I'm swamped with the work. In basic, we say, I'm so happy. But in native, we say, I'm over the moon. Or, I'm on the cloud 9. In basic, we say, let's go outside. But in native, we say, let's step out for some fresh air. In basic, we say, I'm feeling sad. But in native, we say, I'm feeling down. In basic, we say, I don't know. But in native, we say, I have no clue. Or I'm in the dark. In basic we say, it's very important. But in native we say, it's absolutely crucial. In basic we say, help me. But in native we say, could you give me a hand? Or could you lend me a hand? In basic we say, wait a minute. In native we say, hold on for a second. In basic we say, can you repeat that again? But in native we say, could you say that again? In basic we say, let's start. But in native we say, let's get the ball rolling. In basic we say, I'm so tired. But in native we say, I'm completely worn out. Or, I cannot even move a finger. In basic we say, it's too expensive. But in native we say, it costs an arm and a leg. In basic we say, I'm going to sleep. But in native we say, I'm hitting the sack. In basic we say, I understand, but in native we say, that makes sense. In basic we say, I'm very hungry, but in native we say, I can eat a horse, or I'm starving. In basic we say, it's so easy, but in native we say, it's a piece of cake, or it's a walk in the park. In basic we say, I'm angry, but in native we say, I'm fuming. In basic we say, I agree with you, but in native we say, you can say that again. Or, I'm with you on that. In basic we say, I don't like it, but in native we say, it's not my cup of tea. In basic we say, let's meet later, but in native we say, let's catch up later. In basic we say, I'm leaving, but in native we say, I'm heading out. In basic we say, I made a mistake, but in native we say, I messed up. In basic we say, don't be stupid, but in native we say, don't be ridiculous. In basic we say, be careful, but in native we say, watch your step. In basic we say, I will try it, but in native we say, I will give it a shot. In basic we say, good luck, but in native we say, break a leg or finger crossed. In basic we say, call me. In native we say, give me a ring. If you want more phrases like this, follow me for more.